Welcome back to another earnings breakdown. Today, we are analyzing KPEL Energy Limited's Q4 FY26 performance. And this quarter, the company has delivered explosive growth across revenue, EBITDA, and profit. Let's break down the numbers. Dividend. KPEL Energy's board has recommended a final dividend of 0.25 rupees per share, a modest shareholder reward backed by a record operational quarter. Consolidated total income jumped to 633.93 crore rupees. Core revenue alone stood at 631.81 crores. That's a massive 82.4% quarter-on-quarter growth and 55.1% year-on-year growth. Strong EPC execution is clearly driving the top-line momentum. Total expenses came in at 525.69 crore rupees. Raw material costs alone were 453.83 crores. Employee costs stood at 13.23 crores, while other expenses were 33.82 crores. Costs increased alongside aggressive project execution and higher revenue scale. Operating performance remained extremely strong. EBITDA surged to 133.05 crore rupees. Margins expanded to 21.06%. That's 72.3% quarter-on-quarter growth and 70.8% year-on-year growth. EBITDA margin improved by 165 basis points. Operational efficiency is scaling beautifully. Profit before tax came in at 108.24 crore rupees. Sequential growth stood at 88.3%, while year-on-year growth was 67.3%. A very strong earnings expansion quarter for net profit hit a record 78.69 crore rupees. That is an explosive 90.3% quarter-on-quarter jump and 71.8% growth year-on-year. PAT margin stood at a healthy 12.4%. The bottom line conversion remains extremely strong. Earnings per share surged to 11.74 rupees. EPS grew 89.9% compared to last quarter and 70.9% compared to last year. Profit growth is clearly reflecting in shareholder earnings. KPEL Energy delivered a blockbuster Q4 FY26 performance. Revenue climbed 55.1% year-on-year, while net profit surged 71.8%. Margins improved by 165 basis points, showing strong execution quality and operational control.
Subscribe for more videos. Disclaimer.